Hurricane Dolly has been upgraded to a Category 2 storm with 100-mile-per-hour winds blowing off the coast of Texas. Residents and tourists on Padre Island are now bracing for the worst. A hurricane warning is now posted from Brownsville to Corpus Christi. CBS News reporter Joel Brown is live on Padre Island with more on the storm. What's it like there, Joel?
Don, I tell you what, there is no let-up in Dolly. In fact, this now Category 2 hurricane seems to be just picking up steam off the Gulf of Mexico and unleashing it in wind and in rain onto South Texas. Dolly is pounding South Texas. Hurricane-force winds over 85 miles an hour are rattling people and property, but it's the heavy rain that may cause the biggest heartache. More than a foot could fall in some areas, and if Dolly slows down over land, it could be even worse. The big worry is that levees in the low-lying Rio Grande Valley will break, triggering massive flooding in crowded neighborhoods. The water was already rising early this morning.
It's coming over the parking lot now, and don't know how much higher that's going to go as the winds get stronger.
What we're feeling as Dolly moves ashore is a stinging mix of wind and rain with a lot of sand mixed in. These are dangerous conditions that are only going to get worse as this day wears on. Mandatory evacuations have not been ordered, but people in flood-prone areas were asked to move out. Power has already been knocked out for thousands. At least 14 counties have been declared disaster areas, so emergency workers and equipment could be placed in the storm's path. And if a hurricane isn't enough to deal with, several counties are also under a tornado watch. It's going to be a day to remember in South Texas. So what we haven't seen so far is a significant amount of flooding, Don. I tell you what, the wind is really wreaking havoc, though. It ripped the roof off of an apartment complex nearby on South Padre Island. Fortunately, no injuries there, and police were able to get displaced residents over to temporary shelter. That's the latest. Live on South Padre Island, Texas this afternoon, I'm Joel Brown, CBS 2 News.